Sumita Mishra, Director, HAREDA. Good evening, Ms. Mishra, and welcome to Win-Win Power News.
Good evening.
Firstly, I'd like to ask you, what is the current installed capacity in the state through renewable energy and what has been planned for the future?
Currently, we have about 121 megawatts installed in the state, of which the two largest segments are cogeneration in our sugar mills and hydropower, which is about 45 megawatts, and cogen is about 69 odd megawatts. We also have recently some projects installed of biomass gasification as well as industrial cogeneration. And very soon we hope to have a biomass power generation also, which will be another 200 odd megawatts. So we are online in trying to maximize the amount of energy we tap from renewable sources.
Okay, now tell us, any innovative project launched by HAREDA for electrifying villages through renewable energy solutions?
I think HAREDA set up one of the first village-based community solar power plants in the country. This was about 5 years back. And a 5 kilowatt power plant, for example, giving power to about 15 to 20 households. And the innovative thing that we've done is that we have not tried to let it be a fully funded government program, because then people don't feel a sense of ownership. So we formed a village energy committee. We are taking a monthly user fee from them, from each household, and that is being deposited in a bank account. The energy committee is then going to use that money towards future maintenance as well as replacement of batteries as and when that is required.
Which are the other schemes launched by HAREDA to promote solar applications in the state?
In HAREDA, we have a number of programs that are focusing directly on villages. For example, we give solar-based home lighting systems or solar-based lanterns, and these are actually among the most popular items. Currently, we can never meet the demand. So far, we've distributed some 50,000 odd lanterns in the state. And the kind of demand we have, that I think we could do 50,000 in 1 year itself. One other very interesting scheme which we have launched and which has been lauded by the Government of India as well is a scheme called Shiksha Deep. This is again a solar lantern, but it's an LED based lantern designed to be a reading lamp. Girl students who come first in their classes, in classes 5th, 8th, 10th and 12th of government rural schools. So we are looking at the poorest segments who are going to the government schools or from the villages, who are doing well in their studies and who are continuing to study.
Any other scheme to promote solar water heater among various consumer segments?
We are really looking at solar water heating systems as a viable technology which just about everyone can adopt. The Haryana government has already made it mandatory for group housing societies, for flats, for houses of more than 500 square yards, as well as industrial, commercial, all establishments to use solar water heating systems.
Thanks, Ms.